Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add image in Canva template. So first of all, you need to head to this option uploads and just click on upload files and choose the photo which you want to add. The photo I want to add is in this folder, so I'll just choose the photo. This is my photo. I'll just double click on it and the photo will be uploaded here. Once the photo is successfully uploaded, you can just drag the photo to the template, and right here you can adjust the size and just put anywhere you like, just like this. And now in case if you want to crop this photo, for that you can just select the photo, hold your alt key and just drag these corners just like this, and that's how you can crop the photo. Now in case if you want to add the circle shape or whatever shape you like, you can add that too. So for that you need to go to this option elements, and in the search bar you need to type something like frames, and here you will see couple of frames, and I want to add circle shape, so I'll just drag this circle shape right here, and the photo we just need to drag into this circle shape. And yeah, you can see we have successfully converted our photo into circle shape, and we can just put this anywhere we want. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can add image to your Canva template. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.